Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Rolls Royce, the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship in the automotive industry. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the history, the engineering, and the sheer opulence that defines Rolls Royce. Right then, let's talk about the Phantom. This, my friends, is not just a car, it's a palace on wheels, a moving fortress of elegance and sophistication. Imagine being chauffeured through London in this behemoth of luxury. Every head turns, every eye follows. The Phantom is all about presence. It commands attention, whether parked or in motion. It's enormous, imposing, and yet, it moves with the grace of a gazelle. A true paradox of power and elegance. Under that long, sculpted hood lies a V12 engine that could power a small country. It's a marvel of engineering. But here's the thing about the Phantom. It's not about brute force, it's about refined power, a silent strength. It's about effortless power, gliding along the road as if on a magic carpet. Smooth, serene, and utterly composed. The interior is where the Phantom truly shines. It's a sanctuary, a haven of luxury and comfort. Forget leather seats, we're talking about hides, sourced from only the finest Bavarian cows, hand-stitched by artisans. Every detail is meticulously crafted. The carpets are deep enough to lose your shoes in, and the wood veneer on the dashboard, a tree died a very glamorous death. It's a blend of nature and luxury, but it's not just about opulence, it's about technology. Cutting-edge features seamlessly integrated into the luxurious environment. You've got more screens than a small cinema, a sound system that would make a concert hall jealous, and enough gadgets to make James Bond envious. It's a tech lover's dream. Despite all this luxury, the Phantom is still a driver's car. It's designed for those who love to drive. The steering is precise, the handling is surprisingly agile for a car of its size, and the acceleration, it's more of a whoosh than a roar. It's a symphony of motion. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the ultimate statement of success. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a symbol of achievement and prestige. Now, if the Phantom is a grand palace, then the Dawn is a luxurious seaside villa, a retreat where elegance meets the horizon. It's the car you want to be seen in, cruising along the French Riviera, the wind in your hair, the sun kissing your skin, and the world admiring your impeccable taste. The Dawn is a convertible, but not just any convertible, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering. The roof folds down silently in a ballet of engineering precision, transforming the Dawn from a stylish coupe into a glamorous open-top cruiser, perfect for those sun-drenched days and starry nights. But here's the thing about the Dawn, it's not just about looking good, it's about embodying a lifestyle of sophistication and comfort. It's also about feeling good. Every detail inside the cabin is crafted to perfection. The leather seats are like sinking into a warm bath, enveloping you in luxury, while the air suspension glides over bumps in the road as if they weren't there, ensuring a smooth and serene ride. And let's talk about that engine for a moment, shall we? It's not just a powerhouse, it's a symphony of performance. It's a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12, which means it's got more power than you could ever need, delivering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. But it's not about raw speed here, it's about effortless acceleration, about wafting along the road with a sense of unhurried grace, making every journey a pleasure. The Dawn is also surprisingly practical, with room for 4 adults and a trunk big enough for a weekend's worth of luggage, blending luxury with functionality. It's for those who appreciate the finer things in life and want to make a statement wherever they go, turning heads and capturing hearts with every arrival. Now some of you might be thinking, but Jeremy, what about those times when I need to tackle something a bit more rugged than a polo field? You know, those adventurous moments when the road less traveled calls your name. Well, fret no more because Rolls-Royce has you covered with the Cullinan. This isn't just any SUV, it's a Rolls-Royce SUV designed to blend luxury with rugged capability. Yes, you heard that right, an SUV from the masters of luxury. Imagine the opulence of a Rolls-Royce now in a form that can handle the great outdoors. The Cullinan is every bit a Rolls-Royce, just one that's not afraid to get its tires a little dirty. It's built to take on the elements without compromising on comfort or style. It's still got that imposing presence, that sense of occasion that only a Rolls-Royce can deliver. Whether you're arriving at a gala or a remote cabin, the Cullinan makes a statement. But it's also got the ground clearance and all-wheel drive to tackle a muddy track or a snowy mountain pass. No terrain is too challenging for this beast. The Cullinan is also surprisingly capable off-road. It can climb steep hills and navigate rocky paths with ease, making it perfect for those who crave adventure. It's got something called the Everywhere button, which raises the suspension and adjusts the traction control to help you conquer any terrain. This feature ensures that no matter where you go, your ride remains smooth and controlled. It's a car for those who want the ultimate in luxury and capability. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the wilderness, the Cullinan offers an unparalleled driving experience. Now let's talk about one of the things that truly sets Rolls Royce apart: customization. These aren't cars you just buy off the lot. They're cars you commission, cars you collaborate on to create something truly unique. Imagine walking into the Rolls Royce showroom and it's like stepping into a tailor's workshop, but instead of suits, they fit cars. Want your family crest embroidered on the headrests? No problem. Want the starlight headliner to mimic the constellations on the night you were born? They can do that too. The point is, with Rolls Royce, the only limit is your imagination. And your budget, of course. Now let's talk about what goes on behind the scenes at Rolls Royce, because these cars aren't just built, they're handcrafted with a level of care and attention to detail that borders on the obsessive. Forget robots and assembly lines. At Rolls Royce, it's all about human hands. Skilled artisans, masters of their craft, spend countless hours meticulously piecing together each car. The leather is hand-stitched, the wood veneer is hand-matched, and the paintwork is polished to a mirror finish. The attention to detail is astounding. It takes a single craftsperson an entire week to create the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. Now you might think that a company like Rolls Royce, steeped in tradition and heritage, might be a bit slow to embrace new technology, but you'd be wrong. Underneath that classic, stately exterior lies a heart of pure, technological innovation. The latest Phantoms and Dawns are packed with more gadgets than a Bond car. You've got night vision, head-up displays, lane departure warnings, and more screens than you can shake a stick at. But here's the thing, Rolls-Royce doesn't just throw technology at the car for the sake of it. It's all integrated seamlessly, intuitively, so it enhances the driving experience without overwhelming it. And let's not forget the sound system, a full-blown concert hall on wheels. Now let's talk about what it's actually like to sit inside a Rolls-Royce, because that's where the magic truly happens. Imagine sinking into a leather armchair, but this armchair just happens to be inside a moving palace. The seats are not just comfortable, they're ergonomically designed to provide the perfect amount of support. The carpets are so thick you could lose your shoes in them, and the headliner is like something out of a fairy tale. You can even get the Starlight headliner, which features thousands of tiny LED lights that twinkle like stars. The cabin is so quiet you could hear a pin drop, and the air suspension glides over bumps in the road as if they weren't there. It's like being cocooned in a world of luxury and tranquility. It's enough to make you want to take a nap right there in the showroom. We talked about bespoke earlier, but it's worth reiterating just how far Rolls-Royce will go to make your car truly your own. This isn't just about choosing from a few pre-selected options, it's about working with designers and craftsmen to create something completely unique. Want a picnic basket that perfectly matches your car's interior? No problem. Want a humidor for your cigars, complete with a built-in humidifier? They can do that too. The point is, if you can dream it, Rolls-Royce can probably build it. They've got a team of craftspeople who are like wizards with leather, wood, and metal. This is your chance to create a car that's a true reflection of your personality. Now, for all the talk of luxury and craftsmanship, let's not forget that Rolls-Royces are still cars. And cars are meant to be driven. And when it comes to performance, Rolls-Royces are no slouches. Underneath those long, elegant hoods lie some of the most powerful engines in the world. We're talking V12 engines with twin turbochargers, capable of propelling these luxury liners from 0 to 60 in times that would shame many a sports car. But here's the thing, Rolls-Royce performance isn't about neck-snapping acceleration or tire-smoking burnouts, it's about effortless power, gliding from a standstill to motorway speeds with the smoothness of a hot knife through butter. Let's be honest, there's a certain something about owning a Rolls-Royce that goes beyond just having a nice car. It's a statement. It's a symbol of success, of achievement, of having arrived in life. When you roll up to a fancy hotel in a Rolls-Royce, people notice. When you park it outside a Michelin-starred restaurant, heads turn. And when you step out of one, well, let's just say you command a certain level of respect. Owning a Rolls Royce is an experience unlike any other. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on luxury automobiles. Until next time, keep your standards high and your engines roaring.